Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure 179 deduction in QuickBooks and TurboTax, complete guide step by step clearly. To configure the 179 deduction in QuickBooks, start by opening your QuickBooks application. Next, ensure that you have the latest updates installed for the best performance. Then, navigate to the company menu located at the top of the screen. Select Preferences from the drop-down list. In the Preferences window, click on Sales Tax from the left panel. Check the box for Use Sales Tax if it's not already checked. Now, select OK to save your preferences. Proceed to set up your asset in QuickBooks. Go to the Lists menu and choose Fixed Asset Item. Click on New to create a new fixed asset. Fill in the necessary information about the asset, including name and description. In the Asset Type dropdown, select the type of asset that corresponds to the 179 deduction. Assign the appropriate account for depreciation purposes. Now, enter the purchase price of the asset in the cost field. Next, determine the date of purchase and input it accordingly. Make sure to save the fixed asset details by clicking OK. After that, access the tax menu to begin managing your deductions. Select Deductions from the menu options. Here, you'll find a section to enter your Section 179 deduction amount. Enter the total amount you wish to deduct for the current tax year. Now, review all the information to ensure accuracy. If everything is correct, save your changes. The next task is to configure the Section 179 deduction in TurboTax. Open TurboTax and start a new tax return or continue your existing one. Navigate to the Deductions and Credits section of your tax return. Scroll down to find the business deduction and select it. Then, find and click on Section 179 Deduction. TurboTax will guide you through a series of prompts. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.